Hello and welcome to today's video. When barium chloride reacts with aluminum sulfate, it gives barium sulfate and aluminum chloride. To see if this reaction is balanced, let's count the number of atoms on the reactant side and the product side. On the reactant side, we have 1 barium atom, 2 chlorines, 2 aluminum, and for sulfate, we are going to consider it as 1 unit because it's going to be a lot easier to count the number of atoms this way. So, for sulfate, we have 3. On the product side, barium is 1, chlorine is 3, aluminum is 1, and sulfate is 1. Now let's try to balance it by balancing the product side first. So if I put my coefficient 2 here, this means that this 2 has to be multiplied with aluminum and chlorine both. Let's see. 3 multiplied by 2, we get 6, while for aluminum, 1 multiplied by 2, we get 2. So to balance this on the reactant side, I have to multiply chlorine with 3 to make 6 chlorine atoms. So if I put 3 here, this means that this 3 has to be multiplied with the barium as well. So I multiply it with barium and I get 3 barium atoms. On the product side, I multiply barium with 3 to make it equal to the reactant side and I get 1 multiplied by 3 barium atoms. I put my coefficient here. Now this means that this 3 has to be multiplied by the sulfate as well. So I multiply the sulfate 1 multiply by 3 and I get 3 sulfates. Now let's count and compare the number of atoms on both sides. 3 here and 3 here for barium, 6 here and 6 here for chlorine, 2 here and 2 here for aluminum, and for sulfate 3 here and 3 here. Now they all match each other, so this equation is now balanced. Thank you very much.